Heating Land O'Lakes premium products is easy, fast, and clean. You can go from refrigerated sauce to the line in less than half an hour without making a mess or tying up valuable cooking space. Our premium sauces are packaged in proprietary boil and bag packaging that allows you to take the product from the cooler to the line without opening the pouch. Doing so reduces touch points and will help you get near 100% yield from this package. Simply take Land O'Lakes sauces from your cooler, place in a heat-safe pan, and place in your steamer or combi oven on the steam setting. Or place the pouch in a pot of boiling water and heat the package until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Then clip the corner and pour into your serving container. One great function of these products is that if your worker can use a steamer or boil water and read a thermometer, they can make these great sauces with consistent results. As you can see, these premium products can go from your cooler to the line without any mess. No cleaning a pot or worrying about scorching or burning, just great cheese sauce for your customers without any stress.